Introduction to HTML Preview. HTML5 allows previewing of HTML code in a browser. This feature is important for developers to check for errors, test functionality, and visualize the look and feel of their website. What is HTML Preview? HTML Preview refers to the ability of a browser to display a live view of an HTML document. It is crucial in the development process as it aids in error detection, design, and overall website functionality. Previewing HTML code locally. HTML code can be previewed by opening the HTML file in a web browser. Some text editors like Sublime Text and Visual Studio Code have an inbuilt HTML preview feature. Tips and tricks for HTML preview. Ensure that your HTML file is saved with the correct extension, .html or HTM, before previewing in a browser. Refresh the browser each time you make changes to your HTML file to see the updated preview. Use comments in your code to keep track of sections, especially in larger files. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. One of the most common errors in HTML is not closing a tag. Each opening tag should have a corresponding closing tag. Syntax errors, like misspelled tags or missing angle brackets, can lead to incorrect HTML preview. Not declaring the doc type at the beginning of your HTML document can cause the web page to be rendered incorrectly. Conclusion: HTML preview is a crucial part of web development that helps visualize the output of HTML code in real time. Understanding its importance and following the tips and tricks can help avoid common errors and improve HTML coding skills.